and a warm welcome to one and all present here. We roll down a red carpet of welcome to all the dignitaries, head of all the departments, coordinators, parents and invitees, well-wishers and friends. Your presence here today truly uplifts our spirits and adds immense value to this celebration. It's a special day for us as we are celebrating our 14th annual day of Delhi Public School, Gandhinagar, with a fabulous theme, Retro to Metro. पंख भी है, उड़ान भी है, हौसलों में जान भी है, इन फड़फड़ाती भुजाओं में आसमान को छूने का अरमान भी है. Over to CCA in charge, Ms. Subdeep, for further proceedings.
Before we begin the program, let me take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest on behalf of DPS Gandhinagar. We are honored to have with us today a distinguished personality, a true leader, and a beacon of knowledge, Ms. Pragna Patel, as our chief guest. I am privileged to stand before you today to acknowledge the remarkable achievements of our esteemed guest, which are nothing short of extraordinary. With an eminent career marked by key accomplishments, she has not only excelled in her field, but also inspired countless others to reach for greatness. A luminary in her field, an environmentalist and social activist, working as a managing trustee of Atman Foundation at Seva Sanstha, received various honors and awards, published 16 books that includes story collections, poetry, long dramas, children literature and travel books. Ma'am is also currently active in Book Parab team from last 9 years at Gandhinagar. She has also done service for 33 years at Department of Information as a Joint Director of Information and retired in November 2018. Truly, ma'am, your journeys inspires us to reach for the stars and remind us of the limitless possibilities that you have achieved with passion and perseverance. May I now request our respected trustee of the School Managing Committee, Ms. Dimple Goenka, for a floral welcome to the chief guest. Thank you, ma'am. I would also like to take an opportunity to welcome the esteemed personality, trustee of the School Managing Committee, Ms. Dimple Goenka, whose unexceptional leadership, unwavering commitment, and tireless efforts have been instrumental in bringing today's event to life. I request Principal Ma'am to welcome Ma'am with the floral bouquet.
Definitely, yes. With them, yes.
Thank you, ma'am. We also extend a warm welcome to our respected Principal Ma'am, Miss Anju Singh, whose dedication and vision are the driving force behind our academic growth and achievements. May I now request our Vice Principal Ma'am, Miss Manju Dabi, for a floral welcome to our respected Principal Ma'am, Miss Anju Singh.
Ma'am, please go. Get on note.
Thank you, ma'am. We extend a hearty welcome to our respected Vice Principal, Miss Manju Dabi, whose guidance and support continues to shape the future of our school. May I now request our Headmaster Sir to welcome our respected Vice Principal Ma'am, Miss Manju Dabi. Thank you, sir. We extend a warm welcome to our dear Headmaster Sir, who is a source of motivation and strength, whose dedication inspires us all. I request CCA in charge of Primary Wing, Miss Dipinder Saini, to welcome our dear Headmaster Sir through a floral bouquet. Thank you, ma'am. Over to Avanti for the subsequent process.
Thank you, ma'am. Deepajyoti Parabrahma, Deepajyoti Janardanah, Deepo Hartu Me Papam, Sandhya Deepa Namostute means I fold my hands before the Lord, maintainer of this creation, in the form of light. I adore the light which destroys all the pains resulting from my omissions and commissions. The lamp is a metaphor of the knowledge that enlightens our lives and leads us towards success and prosperity. Let the radiance of this lamp guide us in our pursuit of excellence. Now, I would like to invite all the dignitaries for lightening the lamp.
या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहारधवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा शुक्लां ब्रह्मविचारसारपरमा आद्यां जगद्व्यापिनीं वीणापुस्तकधारिणीं पद्मासने संस्थित।
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir. I request all the dignitaries to please be seated. Music has the power to stir emotions and bring people together. Let the rhythm of the music fill the air. Let's create a joyful and harmonious atmosphere together by welcoming our chief guest and everyone present here through a welcome song by the choir group of classes 1 and 2. That was indeed very warm and soothing to begin with as a welcome note. Thank you everyone for this warm welcome. While we celebrate talent on stage, let's also take a moment to recognize and recall the academic and co-curricular achievements of our students. We have some remarkable achievements of our school to share with for the periods of last 1 year. For this, I would like to request our respected headmaster sir to present the annual report for the session 2023-24.
Good evening, one and all. Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Honorable Member of the School Managing Committee, respected Principal, Vice Principal, dear parents, colleagues, my dear students. I extend a very warm welcome to all of you in the premises of DPS Gandhinagar, the temple of learning, where dream blossoms, ideas unite, tomorrow's possibility take shape and get nurtured. I feel privileged and elated to be here post-COVID to present this annual report for classes 1 and 2 for the last 1 year. Today, I begin by sharing with great pride the induction of Sri Apurv Goenka as the Pro Vice Chairman of DPS Gandhinagar. DPS Gandhinagar stands tall today with its motto, service before self, amidst the lush green sprawling 17 acres of its campus with all the essential infrastructure and well-qualified faculty as for the norms of CBSE under the aegis of DPS Society, New Delhi. School bears testimony with its commitment of holistic development of child, nurturing students by following the child-centric, competency-based and activity-based education, and has been imparting quality education and preparing children to face the challenges of 21st century and nurturing them as responsible citizen and human resource for the country. School promotes a balanced pedagogy by maintaining balance between scholastic and co-scholastic activities in curriculum, keeping all-round development of the child in mind in order to impart values, knowledge, and skills. Moving on to our scholastic and co-scholastic areas, let me begin with our achievements in scholastic areas in classes 1 and 2. Primary Wing has successfully executed and implemented the Holistic Progress Card. The Holistic Progress Card as per the guidelines of New Education Policy, NEP 2020-21, under which school has successfully carried out all the projects and assignments as per the guidelines. For example, school has strictly been following the subject enrichment activities, art integrated learning, sustainable development goal-based projects, the SDG-based projects, as per the guidelines of CBSE. Let's have a glance on the academic performance and achievements of the classes 1 and 2 in the last 1 year. We have class 1, the annual result on the screen. Out of 237 students in the session 2022-23, the final examinations, 230 students secured A grade in English, 226 students secured in Hindi A grade, 227 in maths, and 224 out of 237 students secured A grade in EVS. Moving on to the class 2, out of 241 students, 183 students secured A grade. Out of 241, 200 students secured in Hindi A grade, and out of 241, 197 students secured A grade in mathematics, and 200 out of 42 students, 201 students secured in EVS A grade. Now, in the current session, 2023-24, we have on the screen the result of the half-yearly examinations. Out of 163 students in class 1, in this session, 140 students secured A grade in English in half-yearly examinations. Out of 161 appeared, 145 students secured one A grade in Hindi. Out of 159, 156 secured A grade in mathematics. Out of 160, 157 students secured A grade in EVS. Moving on to the class 2, out of 264, 201 students secured A grade in English, 215 in Hindi, 171 in maths, and 211 in EVS out of 264 students appeared in the examinations. Now, we'll move on also to the other areas of academics, the external examinations. To enhance the level of competency of children and to promote inquiry, exploration, innovations, and interactions in classrooms, following competency-based external examinations have been conducted in last 1 year, in which students displayed on the screen have brought several laurels for the school. Let us have a glance on their achievements. Science Olympiad Foundation, in which the students, in the following examination conducted by Science Olympiad Foundation, our students, in these examinations, they have appeared and brought laurels for the school, namely International English Olympiad, IEO, IGKO, that is International General Knowledge Olympiad. Students being shown on the screen who all have secured the positions and brought laurels for the school with their position. Now, IMO, International Maths Olympiad, ISO, International Science Olympiad. Also, International Olympiad Examination Foundation has conducted the following examinations in which the students displayed on the screen have brought the laurels for the schools. International Foundation English Olympiad, International Olympiad Foundation Maths Olympiad, International Olympiad Foundation GK and Current Olympiad, Current Affairs Olympiad, International Olympiad Foundation Hindi Olympiad, International Olympiad Foundation Cyber Olympiad, International Olympiad Foundation Reasoning and Aptitude Olympiad, International Olympiad Foundation Spell Talent Olympiad. So in all these examinations, our students participated and brought laurel for the school. We congratulate all the achievers. Primary wing has well-qualified faculty as ME, that is Microsoft educators. 95% of our faculty members are Microsoft certified educators. They are here to impart quality education. Teachers constantly have been trained through the expert trainers deputed by the CBSE. Now we will move on to our CCA curricular activities which have been taking place this year and last 1 year. To impart various skills and values, the plethora of CCA and inter-school activities have been conducted. Some of them in classes 1 and 2 are coloring activity on Earth Day, fantasy with colors, Hasya Kabita competition, break your record competition, calligraphy competition, कहानियों का पिटारा, Vibrant India, Fancy Dress Competition, Pride of India, Talent Bring Competition, Have a Healthy Munch, Eat Smart Competition, Sur La Table, Cooking Without Fire Activity. In all these inter-house competitions, children participated very enthusiastically and they learned the various skills. Moving on to our inter-school events in which our achievers have brought the laurel by participating in inter-school events. In recent past, school has crossed several milestones, won many accolades, striving for excellence in all walks of life for the holistic development of our children. Children of primary wing have brought laurels in these inter-school contests, namely Brain of Brain Wonder Kids competition, Chrysalis inter-school competition for music, dance, arts and sports, quiz on National Sports Day. Students participated in various inter-school competition, namely Srijan, Divine Fest, Hillwood Fest, and children brought laurel for the school in these inter-school competitions too. Our student also participated in CBSE cluster event for swimming. Now let us move on to the special achievers of last 1 year. The following students of primary wing have achieved special awards in various national and international level contests and competitions held globally. I would mention first our child prodigy. This twin sister, I'm going to say Diva Shastri and Diya Shastri, created multiple world records in painting competition by participating in various national and international level exhibitions at Ahmedabad, Shimla, Siliguri, and Nepal last in 1 year. Recently, Diva and Diya have won Bharatiya Bal Kala Sanskruti Samman. It's one of the prestigious awards globally. Diya Shastri has been awarded the Bharat Ki Shan, and Diva Shastri has been given an award of appreciation. Our student Asvik Patel, class 4 under 12 categories, won in All India tennis tournament at national level in both single and double contests, and presently is in abroad getting training. Dhyan Hasmukh Shah participated in Doodle for Google contest and was the group winner in 2022. Gyananda Dwivedi, she won various awards at national and international level, competition in karate and judo competition. We have another twins coming up on the screen, Dhrumit A. Damor and Dhrumin A. Damor of class 2 created world record and won Kalam World Record Holders Award in reciting periodic table elements in less time, reciting longest spelling in less time, reciting national pledge in 7 languages in less time. Your thunder should be louder. Merely class 2 students creating the world record. Thank you, audience. Shivang Jain, class 3C, has won the national award in storytelling competition under the age group of 6 to 10. Mohit Chaudhary, class 5, won the bronze medal in swimming in CBSE 13 cluster events. What a big achievement it is. Ayans Agrawal of class 1C has won state level championship trophy in Brain Brain Wonder Kid competition. Please note, dear parents, that for all such achievers and world record holders in national and international level, we have created one hall of fame in our school in which for the lifetime we put up the pictures of such students. So just imagine after 25 years, 26 years, students are coming back to the school and being nostalgic, seeing the photograph, how proud they feel about their achievements and all. That is our main motto behind this. So the Hall of Fame at the center of the school we have created. In case if your son or daughter are also one of the achievers, you are most welcome to come up with the photograph and put up there in front of us with a great honor. So this is for your kind information. Books written by following young authors of primary wing has won recognition in the National Young Authors Fair, and their books have been published by the Bree Books publishers at the free of cost and are available online and offline for selling. And the students whose books were being published are the Westmith V 4A, Isika Bhavnani of 5C, I repeat, Paridhi Singh of 5C, Priyanka Chauhan of 5C, Ans Menon of 5E. Primary wing has all following CCA clubs in which regular activities are conducted for the children of class 5. We have dance club for classical and western music. We have music club for the vocal and instrumental music. We have personality development and lingua franca and theater club. We have art sketching and art and craft club. We have Rack Your Brain quiz club. We have Green Club and Green Bank, which has been created by the donation of the children of their own plants which they planted during the summer vacation under the project called Sustainable Development Project. So that Green Bank is the creation of my primary wing children. This is what I feel very proud in announcing that. Let's move on to the sports club, health and physical education related activities of the school of primary wing to keep students physically fit and inculcate in them the sportsman spirit, teamwork, discipline, sharing and cooperation. Primary wing has following sports activity clubs: cricket, football, basketball, lawn tennis, table tennis, skating, chess, swimming, taekwondo, and karate and judo. These all clubs are running, sports clubs are running in primary wing. Following sports activities have successfully been conducted in primary wing, namely Fun and Feast, annual sports day activity, inter-school sports quiz on National Sports Day, various sports awards won by primary wing students in martial arts, karate, judo, swimming, and chess. Following excursion and adventurous activities have been successfully carried out for the amusement and under the adventure activity of the students. We took the students on various educational field trip, on excursion and picnic and tours. In order to inspire and motivate both teachers and tots, these practices and activities have been followed in school. So let's have a glance over the motivational and leadership activities being carried out here. We keep on giving the students the best class awards, best house awards, star students and star teachers of the month. Dear parent, this is for your information that top 20 students from each class gets award Prerna as the category of the annual prize distribution ceremony or annual award ceremony, along with the 100% attendance awardees. All the new parents, please note this: 100% attendance awardees and top 20 students. Each and every year we award in the annual ceremony named Motivation or Prerna. 100% attendance award for the students and teachers who are being awarded. We conduct investiture ceremony. Then award and students and teachers also appoints the monitors and council members to inculcate in them the leadership quality. We do celebrate the birthday wish. We do that and celebrate birthday of the children and as well as the teachers and staff. The main purpose is to motivation, which is most important part of our life. Here I would like to mention one thing. The life is a long journey between human being and being human. And we have dedicated team members in our school who constantly put in efforts to bridge the gap between human being and being human. So keep on bridging the gap to make each and every individual here the human being. The school also conducts activities to let the children socialize along with the edification related following activities. We conduct the regular moral value education, counseling and guidance classes are being taken properly through activities. We do celebrate the national days. We conduct national regular assemblies for the children to impart these all moral values and make them ready for the 21st century. The various CSR and welfare activities for charity and welfare inclusive practices are also organized, which included donation of rupees 1,30,000 rupees to Saransh Foundation by our student named Diva and Diya Shastri through their own financial earning by making and creating the world record through art exhibitions. CSR activities for needy people, orphanage, old age home and blind people. Collected and donations to various national level charity campaigns were being organized in the school as well, and we donated the amount to the needy people. Special attention and counseling to the children with special needs being taken a great care of. Not only this, the school quality assessment assurance program, follow-up program and activities to check the quality of the school education system and practices are being incorporated through our activity called SQAA, under which the following activities were being conducted: CBSE inspection, that is SARAS, school affiliation, re-engineered automation system, SAFAL, that is online affiliation school information system, and I beg your pardon, SAFAL, that is structured assessment for analytical learning for classes 3 and 5, then OSS, that online affiliation school information system. Then we conduct regularly at the time interval as per the government's instruction, the SEAS, that is State Education Achievement Survey. Recently, this year, we conducted this one by Ministry of Education. I feel very proud and privileged and elated to share that DPS Gandhinagar has emerged as one of the best schools of Gandhinagar. School has set a benchmark as a leader, a mentor of cluster of hub of learning schools by the CBSE and rapidly growing up in right direction under the mentorship of our able principal, Ms. Anju Singh. Can we have a big round of applause for our dedicated principal, Ms. Anju Singh? Thank you, ma'am, for being our mentor. We are also the only school in the district selected by CBSE and the Ministry of Education to launch the CBSE Hybrid Learning Project, a project initiated by CBSE in collaboration with Microsoft Teams. The unflinching support we have been receiving through the school management and the constant support and cooperation that we have been receiving from all the parents have enabled us to achieve this remarkable feat. We look forward to adding more and more accolades in the wings of the primary section in days to come. Thank you for your support and cooperation. And now, with this note, I would like to move on to the next segment, that is the most awaited, our annual day theme, that is Retro to Metro. Before I leave, I would like to brief you about today's theme. Why this? What is Retro to Metro? There would be in your mind, must be, wavering. What exactly is Retro to Metro? So here is the answer. Retro, basically, to Metro is the theme being chosen. Basically, cinemas and movies are not only source of entertainment, it is also a great source of our edification, change, evolution, learning, and we take away so many messages from the cinemas. That's why we thought of choosing this theme Retro to Metro based on the thematic presentation to learn so many messages and to show the evolution, this evolution, the journey of evolution from retro age, that is, retro is a metaphor of simplicity and elegance, whereas metro represents technology and modernization. So from retro age to metro age, how this evolution actually basically take place, this is what we are going to represent through the presentations of our tiny tots of the day. The tiny tots who are even First day I still remember after COVID when they come to school, when they saw the headmaster, they say, "Uncle, ye room kahan hai?" You just imagine our challenges. Post the COVID period, 3 years were completely, children were forgotten what is a school, what is teacher, the physical teacher I mean to say, headmaster, principal. And this is how this last 1 year, this gap was being bridged by my team. And I hope these efforts put in by these tiny tots, rather than finding the faults in their presentation, you would enjoy the show by seeing that with what enthusiasm they are coming up on the stage to represent their self. So that is would be the correct achievement, the measure of their achievements to be measured and all. This is what I request you all to measure in that angle. So without wasting your time, so here we go with our theme of the day, that retro to metro, with the class 1 and 2 students waiting over there. So class 1 and 2, over to them, the anchors of the day. Enjoy the show. Have a nice and wonderful day ahead. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir, for this elaborate report.
Good evening once again. We are here to talk about an interesting and exciting journey from retro to metro. The world has come a long way from the retro, which was somewhat simple yet elegant. And now we're living in the fiercely competitive metro world, where technology and modernization have taken over. But before we move ahead, let us take a moment to look back and understand the evolution from retro to metro. Retro embraces the trends, fashion, transport, entertainment and music of the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s and 21st century. The transition from retro to metro has a huge impact on our culture. Retro was more about looking back to the good old days. In contrast, metro is all about innovation, technology and modernization. With this shift, we have seen changes in our fashion, music and even the way we communicate, use our transport, entertainment and so on. It has a profound impact on the way the world works. My friends, classes 1 and 2 are going to showcase this evolution and changes through their performance and enactment on the songs of Bollywood. These songs of the films play a vital role in shaping children into well-rounded individuals, contributing positively to society. These films are not merely a source of entertainment, but also there are lots of takeaway message in them. So let us explore and navigate the message and see the changes in our society through today's program, Retro to Metro.
बाबू समझो इशारे हॉर्न पुकारे पम 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 यहाँ चलती को गाड़ी कहते हैं प्यारे पम 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 बाबू समझो इशारे हॉर्न पुकारे पम 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 यहाँ चलती को गाड़ी कहते हैं प्यारे पम 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 Ribaba ribaba baba ribaba ribaba baba ribaba ribaba baba ribaba ribaba baba चक्के में चक्का चक्के पे गाड़ी गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी थोड़े अगाड़ी
थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े अगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी। चक्के में चक्का, चक्के पे गाड़ी, गाड़ी में निकली अपनी सवारी। थोड़े अगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी, थोड़े अगाड़ी, थोड़े पिछाड़ी।
रेलगाड़ी, 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 छुक 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 छुक। बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले रुक 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 रुक। धड़क धड़क लोहे की सड़क, धड़क धड़क लोहे की सड़क। यहाँ से वहाँ, वहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से वहाँ, वहाँ से वहाँ। फुलाए छाती पार कर जाती बालू रेत आलू के खेत, बाजरा धान बुढ़ा किसान, हरा मैदान मंदिर मकान, चाय की दुकान, पुल पग डंडी, टीले पे झंडी, पानी का कुंड, पंछी का झुंड, झोपड़ी झाड़ी खेती बाड़ी, बादल धुआं मोट कुआं, कुएं के पीछे बाग बगीचे, धोबी का घाट मंगल की हाट, गांव में मेला भीड़ झमेला, टूटी दीवार टट्टू सवार। रेलगाड़ी, रेलगाड़ी। बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले रुक 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 रुक।
छोटे छोटे शहरों से खाली बोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले। बारिश कम कम लगती है, नदियाँ मध्यम लगती है, हम समंदर के अंदर चले। छोटे छोटे शहरों से खाली बोर दोपहरों से हम तो झोला उठा के चले। बारिश कम कम लगती है, नदियाँ मध्यम लगती है, हम समंदर के अंदर चले। ओहो हो हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे, हम चले ओए रामचंद्र रे। धड़क 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 धुआं उड़ाए रे, धड़क 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 सीटी बजाए रे, धड़क 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 धुआं उड़ाए रे, धड़क 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 मुझे बुलाए रे। गड्डी लेके मैं निकला, ओ गड्डी लेके, ओ रास्ते पर ओ सड़क में एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठे दिल छोड़ आया। ओ एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठे दिल छोड़ आया। रब जाने कब गुजरा, अब अमृतसर हो कब जाने लाहौर आया, माथे दिल छोड़ आया, एक मोड़ आया, माथे दिल छोड़ आया।
आओ बच्चों, आज तुम्हें कहानी सुनाता हूं मैं। शेर की कहानी सुनोगे? मेरे पास आओ मेरे दोस्तों, एक किस्सा सुनो। मेरे पास आओ मेरे दोस्तों, एक किस्सा सुनो। कई साल पहले की ये बात है।
बोलो ना, चुप क्यों हो गए?
भयानक अंधेरी सिया रात में लिए अपनी बंदूक में हाथ में, घने जंगलों से गुजरता हुआ कहीं जा रहा था। घने जंगलों से गुजरता हुआ कहीं जा रहा था। जा रहा था नहीं, आ रहा था नहीं, जा रहा था।
ओहो, आगे भी तो बोलो ना।
बताता हूँ। नहीं भूलती उफ वो जंगल की रात, मुझे याद है वो थी मंगल की रात। चला जा रहा था मैं डरता हुआ, हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ता हुआ। बोलो हनुमान की जय हो, जय जय बजरंग बली की जय हो। बोलो हनुमान की जय, जय जय बजरंग बली की जय। हाँ? La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Look to the sky, hope is all around, and it's about to ignite. It's looking bright, go on, let it out. The spark you're feeling inside. We're gonna dream a little bigger, laugh a little harder, sing a little louder now. We're gonna dance a little bolder, love a little better. Take my hand, I'll show you how. The future holds so much more than we've ever seen before. There's something so magical shining from our dreams. Un monde qui s'illumine. Un monde qui s'illumine. Un monde qui s'illumine. Go make a wish if you Let's reminisce how we've come so far and see how far we can go. We're gonna dream a little bigger, laugh a little harder, sing a little louder now. We're gonna dance a little bolder, love a little better. Take my hand, I'll show you how. The future holds so much more than we've ever seen before. There's something so magical shining from our dreams. Un monde qui s'illumine. Oh, oh, oh. Un monde qui s'illumine. Oh, oh, oh. Un monde qui s'illumine. It's a brand new day, new in every way. Let the good times roll. It's a brand new start. Open up your heart. Let it move your soul. The future holds so much more than we've ever seen before. There's something so magical shining from our dreams. Un monde qui s'illumine. Oh, oh, oh. Un monde qui s'illumine.
Wow, it was an amazing. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? After the wonderful performances of our rock stars, there are some important announcements. Dear parents, this is to inform you that food court has been arranged at the back of the ground for your refreshments. Parents can collect their votes for the classes 1A, 1B, 1E and 1C from their respective classes. Kindly go through the reception area. Over to Avanti for the remaining show.
My dear parents, please welcome our little rock stars to continue the journey of retro to metro.
ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ए भाई तू जहां नहीं, गली नहीं, गांव नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बस्ती नहीं, रास्ता नहीं, दुनिया है। और प्यारे दुनिया ये सर्कस है, और सर्कस में बड़े को भी, छोटे को भी, खरे को भी, खोटे को भी, दुबले को भी, मोटे को भी, नीचे से ऊपर को, ऊपर से नीचे को आना जाना पड़ता है। और रिंग मास्टर के घोड़े पर थोड़ा जो भूख है, थोड़ा जो पैसा है, थोड़ा जो किस्मत है, तरह तरह नाच के दिखाना यहाँ पड़ता है, बार बार रोना और गाना यहाँ पड़ता है। हीरो से जोकर बन जाना पड़ता है। ये भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ये भाई
ऊपर वाला भी हंस के एक दिन तुमसे ये पूछेगा। डाकिया डाक लाया, 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 डाक लाया, डाकिया डाक लाया, डाक लाया, खुशी का पैगाम कहीं कहीं दर्दनाक लाया, डाकिया डाक लाया, डाक लाया, डाकिया डाक लाया, डाकिया डाक लाया, खुशी का पैगाम कहीं कहीं दर्दनाक लाया, डाकिया डाक लाया, डाक लाया, डाकिया डाक लाया, डाकिया डाक लाया। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, तो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है।
Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da.
Eyes at you turning lila,
நவீன உலகத்தில் அறிவியல் அதிசயம் வாய் உண்டு ஆனால் வயல் இல்லை பேச்சு உண்டு மூச்சு இல்லை நாடி உண்டு இருதயம் இல்லை அவர்தான் திமிரை இல்லை
Wow, that was an amazing. Can we have a huge round of applause for them? Dear parents, this is to inform you once again that food court has been arranged at the back of the ground for your refreshments. Parents can collect their awards for the classes 1D, 1F, classes 2nd B and 2nd A from their respective classes. Kindly go through the reception area. Over to Avanti.
This journey of retro to metro is really exciting. Please stay tuned with us for the remaining performance by our little champs.
मेरा नाम टिंटिंटू टिंटिंटू बाबा टिंटिंटू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू डू मेरा नाम टिंटिंटू टिंटिंटू बाबा टिंटिंटू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू डू बाबा बाबा बाबा
एक चतुर नार करके श्रृंगार एक चतुर नार करके श्रृंगार मेरे मन के द्वार या घुसत जात हम मरत जात हर चतुर नार करके श्रृंगार धम 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 धम
Ina mina dika, dai damenika, maga naga naga, dika bika dika. Ina mina dika dika de dai damenika, maga naga, dika bika rola dika, ram pam poch, ram pam poch.
दीवाना, वो देखेगा जमाना, हमारी सुफियाना सी पाटियां। नाचेगा दीवाना, वो देखेगा जमाना, हमारी सुफियाना सी पाटियां। फिकर भुला के तू कमर हिला के और नच ले मेरे संग साथिया। कोई मुझे रोको जरा, नच नच के हाथ का बीट बढ़िया, मन चढ़िया डांस का, मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया, मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया, मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया, मन चढ़िया डांस का भूत चढ़िया। ये बोल दो आएंगे देर से, फिक्रे सब छोड़ दो आज हद से। अपने हिसाब में हम जो करने चले, गलती वो जोड़ लो। तो आज यार कुछ लम्हों के लिए बिगड़ी राहों पे तुम पैरों को मोड़ दो। आज रख से दुनिया को भूल के जितने हैं कायदे वो सारे तोड़ दो। हो खुले ग्राउंड में आके ऊंचा साउंड बजा के, रेड वाला कलर लगा के नाचेंगे हीरो बन कर। जय जय शिव शंकर, रंगूड़ है भयंकर, रंगूड़ दे दो, रंगूड़ दे दो। तुम आए बल शंकर की मूड है भयंकर, रंगूड़ दे दो, रंगूड़ दे दो। जय जय शिव शंकर, रंगूड़ है भयंकर, रंगूड़ दे दो, रंगूड़ दे दो। something about tonight, tonight, tonight. Something about tonight, tonight, tonight. There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special. Something about the way you're looking at me, something very special. Yeah, there's something about tonight, something very special. There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special. Yeah, there's something about tonight, something very special. Here we go.
सारी की सारी दुनिया भुला के मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना. For you could be my one and only. मैं तो तेरे नाल नचना. When I see you looking at me, आजा बात कर ले दिल की. होने लगेंगे अफसाने.
You know it, so sing it. Now throw your hands up and say.
Disco divane. नशीली है रात, तो हाथों में हाथ, नाचेगा रे साथ. Disco divane.
There's something about tonight, something very special. Something about the way you move that thing, something very special.
All flowers have the following parts: calyx, corolla, stamen, and stigma. They come in different colors and different scents. Even now, one cannot help but wonder at this marvel of nature.
आवारा भंवरे जो हौले हौले गाए, फूलों के तन पे हवाएं सरसराए. आवारा भंवरे जो हौले हौले गाए, फूलों के तन पे हवाएं सरसराए. कोयल की कुहू कुहू, पपीहे की पीहू पीहू, जंगल में झींगर की जाए जाए. नदियाँ में लहरें आए, बल खाए छलकी जाए, भीगे होठों से वो गुनगुनाए. गाता है साहिल, गाता है बहता पानी, गाता है ये दिल सुन सारे गामा पाधानी सारे. आवारा भंवरे जो हौले हौले गाए, फूलों के तन पे हवाएं सरसराए.
नए नए कदमों पर नई नई उम्मीदें, इस शहर को हम हरियाली की चूनर पहनाए. नए नए कदमों पर नई नई उम्मीदें, इस शहर को हम हरियाली की चूनर पहनाए.
छोटी मोटी कोशिशें बदलेगी जिंदगी, हम आने वाले कल को खुशियों से महकाए.
एक एक शाखों पर फूलों सा खिलता अपना देवास। हम सब मिलकर इस मिट्टी का कर्ज चुकाएं। एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं, एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं, एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं, एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं। देवास रहा है धरोहर, इतिहास ने इसको माना। सपनों का शहर अपना देवास, हरियाली इसका गहना। देवास रहा है धरोहर, इतिहास ने इसको माना।
सपनों का शहर अपना देवास, हरियाली इसका गहना।
पेड़ों से है सारी दुनिया, दुनिया से है इंसान। इस रिश्ते को हम तुम मिलकर मजबूत बनाए। एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं, 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 एक पौधा आज हम भी लगाएं। थोड़ी हिम्मत चलो गाते हैं, थोड़ा हौसला चलो बनाते हैं।
थोड़ी हिम्मत चलो उगाते हैं, थोड़ा हौसला चलो बनाते हैं।
हम जो चाहें सब मुमकिन है, चलो दुनिया को दिखाते हैं। धरती बनाए अंबर बनाए, फिर मुस्कुराए सपने सजाए, फिर गीत गाए फिर गुनगुनाए, हर मुश्किलों से हम जीत जाए।
चलो फिर से बना दे भारत को सोने की चिड़िया।
Let's make it India, let's make it India, let's make it India, let's make some India, let's make it India, let's make it India, let's make it India, let's make some India। थोड़ी हिम्मत चलो गाते हैं, थोड़ा हौसला चलो बनाते हैं।
मिट जाएगी ये गरीबी, नया दौर है नई नीति। घर ठान लो तुम मान लो ये इल्तिजा। मेक इन इंडिया, मेक इन इंडिया, सब मिलके कहो लेट्स मेक इन इंडिया। ओहो मेरा इंडिया, प्यारा इंडिया, सब मिलके कहो लेट्स मेक इन इंडिया। जब राज था इंग्लिस्तानी, क्या देश की थी वो कहानी। वो कल गया ये आज है तुम जान लो। कितनी रंगीन है दुनिया, पर सबसे न्यारा इंडिया। मेरा मान है अभिमान है मेरी शान है। मेक इन इंडिया, मेक इन इंडिया, सब मिलके कहो लेट्स मेक इन इंडिया, ओहो मेरा इंडिया, प्यारा इंडिया, सब मिलके कहो लेट्स मेक इन इंडिया, ओहो मेक इन इंडिया, मेक इन इंडिया, सब मिलके कहो लेट्स मेक इन इंडिया, ओहो मेरा इंडिया, प्यारा इंडिया, सब मिलके कहो लेट्स मेक इन इंडिया।
What a scintillating performance! Please give them a big round of applause. नाज है हमें आपके बुलंद इरादों पर, हजारों शमा कुर्बान है आप जैसे रोशन चिरागों पर। हालात बदल जाते हैं जमाने के जिनके इशारों पर, वह कोहिनूर हीरे हैं आप जिनकी चमक है सितारों पर, जिनकी चमक है सितारों पर। With immense pleasure, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Pragna Patel, to share some motivational words with our tiny tots. I request Headmaster Sir to escort our Honorable Chief Guest.
नमस्ते। आज की ये सुहानी शाम हम साथ में मना रहे हैं, तो उसका सबसे पहले तो मैं आनंद व्यक्त करती हूँ, बहुत हृदय से प्रसन्नता व्यक्त करती हूँ। हाँ, DPS स्कूल ये रेट्रो टू मेट्रो एनुअल फंक्शन में आज उपस्थित रहने का मुझे अवसर मिला, तो मैं यहाँ स्कूल के ट्रस्टी, हेडमास्टर और सबकी आभारी हूँ। ट्रस्टी श्रीमती डिम्पल गोयनका मैडम, प्रिंसिपल अंजू सिंह मैडम, वाइस प्रिंसिपल मंजू मैडम, सर ये गुरुजन ने आज के प्रोग्राम के लिए जो है बच्चों को जो तैयार किया है, वो सब हमने फर्स्ट और सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड के छोटे छोटे मासूम बच्चों ने जो अपनी कला का प्रदर्शन किया है वो बहुत बेहतरीन है, क्योंकि ये बचपन एक ऐसी हमारे जीवन की एक ऐसी अवस्था है कि हमारा जो व्यक्तित्व आगे ऊपर बनने वाला है उसका पूरा आधार, पूरा वो क्या है कि एक पौधे की तरह होता है। तो जिस तरह से उसको मिट्टी, पानी और प्यार मिलता है तो वो पौधा जीवन में उतना अच्छा मुकाम बना लेता है। तो ये बच्चों को, सारे बच्चों को मेरा बहुत बहुत प्यार। यहाँ उपस्थित पेरेंट्स है, उनको भी मैं सीख तो क्या देनी है, पर आप आपके बच्चों को प्यार बहुत करो, ध्यान भी बहुत रखो, पर उनको उनकी अपनी तरह से विकसने का एक अवसर देना, मौका देना। हम माली की तरह होते हैं, वैसे सारे टीचर्स और पेरेंट्स माली की तरह होते हैं। पौधे को अपने हिसाब से खुलने का, खिलने का, वो हवा, पानी, प्राणवायु, ऑक्सीजन, वो सब अच्छी तरह से मिले, वो हमको ध्यान रखना है। पर विकसेगा तो अपने आप ही, क्योंकि ये बचपन एक ऐसी जिंदगी की एक ऐसी बहुत नाजुक और एक बहुत सुंदर अवस्था है। हमारे कवि ने लिखा भी है कि अगर हमारे अंदर एक बच्चा जिंदा रहता है तो हम पूरा जीवन मासूमियत के साथ जी सकते हैं। हम कहते हैं कि ईश्वर की मनुष्य के प्रति अभी भी श्रद्धा है, इसीलिए वो बच्चे के स्वरूप में इस धरती पर आते हैं। तो पूरे DPS के स्टाफ परिवार ने, टीचर्स ने और पेरेंट्स ने भी बहुत सारी मेहनत करके बच्चों को ये अवसर दिया, उसमें परफॉर्म करने का यह अवसर आप सब ने खड़ा किया और मुझे भी यहाँ आज आपके साथ रहने का सुअवसर मिला। तो मैं बहुत मेरी हृदय से प्रसन्नता व्यक्त करती हूँ और सभी बच्चों के प्रति उनके बहुत यशस्वी जीवन के लिए, उनकी बहुत अच्छी कैरियर के लिए मेरी शुभकामनाएं प्रदान करती हूँ। बहुत बहुत आप सबका धन्यवाद, क्योंकि समय काफ़ी हुआ है। तो बस मेरी प्रसन्नता व्यक्त करके धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for devoting your precious time and endowing the young peoples with your words of wisdom and experience. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request our honorable chief guest and all the dignitaries to be on the dais for the felicitation ceremony. I would request our respected principal ma'am to felicitate our chief guest with a memento. I would request our respected principal ma'am to felicitate our chief guest with a memento. Request our principal ma'am to address the gathering.
Good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of the entire DPS Gandhinagar fraternity, I warmly welcome all of you for participating in yet another milestone achievement of this magnanimous institute that stands tall because of your unwavering support. This is a momentous occasion that marks not only the culmination of a year's worth of hard work and dedication, but also a celebration of the incredible journey our younger ones have embarked upon. First, I thank our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Pragna Patel, for her insightful and motivating speech. I also want to thank our respected Ms. Dimple Goenka, who have joined us on this occasion to make this evening imperishable with her presence. Today, we have seen the vibrant faces of our little stars, our classes 1 and 2 students, who have filled our school with boundless energy, curiosity, and enthusiasm. Each of them is a shining example of the potential within every child, waiting to be nurtured and guided. Annual Day is a reflection of the profound transformation that takes place within the hearts and minds of our young learners during their early years at the school. Like delicate flowers in a garden, they have been carefully tended to, receiving the sunlight of knowledge, the nourishment of values, and the care of our dedicated teachers. In our pursuit of excellence in education, we have always believed that the foundation laid in the early years of schooling is of paramount importance. During this period, teachers acquire academic skills and develop essential life skills, values, and a love for learning. Our dedicated teachers who have tirelessly worked to create a nurturing and stimulating environment have played a pivotal role in this journey. Dear parents, you are our invaluable partners in this endeavor. Your unwavering support, trust, and active involvement in your child's education are instrumental in their growth. We appreciate your trust in us and are committed to nurturing and guiding your children to become responsible, compassionate, and confident individuals. Today, we have witnessed the spectacular performances and displays put up by our young talents. We are reminded of the limitless possibilities that lie ahead for them. Their creativity, enthusiasm, and spirit are a testament to the bright future that awaits them. Let us celebrate not only the achievements of our little ones, but also the promise they hold for the future. Let us continue to nurture their minds, encourage their curiosity, and provide them with the love and support they need to bloom into remarkable individuals. Again, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of you for participating in this beautiful evening and entrusting us with your precious children's education. Let us continue to inspire and empower the young minds of DPS Gandhinagar. Thank you for your solicited presence and for making this evening a remarkable and memorable occasion. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable words. May I now request our headmaster, sir, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good evening once more to everyone. Hope you all enjoyed the program. I feel privileged to be here with the proposal of vote of thanks on behalf of the primary wing. We extend our profound gratitude to the chief guest and the guest of the day for sparing her valuable time with us and with our kids and her words of wisdom. We take this opportunity to sincerely express our gratitude to our honorable member of the school managing committee, Ms. Dimple Goenka, for gracing the occasion through her benign presence. Your presence has indeed boosted the morale of children. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us. We sincerely convey our heartfelt thanks to our principal, Ms. Anju Singh, for her active involvement and her mentorship, guidance, and support with the support being provided to all of us. Thank you, ma'am. We take this opportunity to thank our vice principal for her benign presence and motivating the participants. Our special thanks to our account manager, Mr. Vikas Agrawal, administrators, DPS Gandhinagar, local media, maintenance department, electricians, transport departments, art and craft department, food and logistic department, our supporting staff, and safety and security department for their thankless and service and support to us. We sincerely thank and express our deep sense of gratitude to all the parents for their constant support and cooperation that we have been receiving from them. We extend our heartfelt thanks to our CCA coordinators, coordinators Ms. Dipinder Saini and Ms. Sukhdeep Saini, our choreographer Ms. Rital Chopra and Ms. Kruti Bhatt, our technicians, the system in charge, Ms. Kiran Maharkar and Kavita, and our teachers for their tireless efforts put in to make this event possible. We take this opportunity to highly appreciate and admire the scintillating performance of all the participants, our children who all have been working so hard for the last 2 months. Dear students, thank you one and all for this wonderful presentation. Once more, we sincerely thank everyone present here and those who helped from behind the curtain to make this gala event a grand success. I request everyone now to please rise on your place for the national anthem. I request everyone to maintain absolute silence, and wherever you are, please stand on the attention position for the national anthem at the mark of respect for our national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you, everyone. Now I request all the parents to collect their award from the respective classes of primary wing, and you are also requested to use the reception gate only for going and also at the time of dispersal. And also you are requested to visit the food court which have been arranged at the back of the football ground. Once more, thank you everyone for being with us. Good night and see you a great evening ahead.